everyone, my name is teacher Mara Louise, and I am so excited to be your English teacher. Teaching English is my biggest passion. I get so excited whenever I help students learn new words or understand something for the first time. Teaching English makes me smile every day. I am a TOEFL certified and a licensed professional teacher. I have been teaching English for 5 years now here in the Philippines and 6 months teaching English as a second language to Chinese students. I am a teacher who loves watching English movies, reading books, dancing when I am happy, and playing with my cats in my free time. Teaching is not just my job, it's what I love to do. I make learning fun with games and activities. I am patient and will help you step by step. I can help with reading, speaking, and writing. Every class will be full of smiles and new words. Would you like to learn English while having lots of fun? Let's book a class together and start our amazing English adventure. I can't wait to meet you. Bye!